If you're a fan of RVs, then you're going to love the new 2025 Coachmen Euro 25 terabytes. This compact, stylish Class A motorhome is redefining what it means to travel in luxury. With its sleek design, innovative features, and incredible functionality, the Coachmen Euro 25 terabytes is perfect for those who want all the perks of a high-end RV without the bulk. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned RV enthusiast, this motorhome offers everything you need for a comfortable and adventurous journey. The 2025 Coachmen Euro 25 terabytes is designed with modern aesthetics and practicality in mind. At just 25 feet long, it's a smaller Class A motorhome, which makes it more maneuverable and easier to park compared to larger models. But despite its compact size, it doesn't sacrifice on style or features. In fact, it packs a punch with a striking exterior design that combines clean lines, aerodynamic curves, and a contemporary color palette. This motorhome looks every bit as sleek as it feels on the road. Step inside, and you'll be amazed by how much space is cleverly utilized. The interior of the Euro 25 terabytes feels open and airy, thanks to large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The floor plan is both functional and chic, featuring a cozy living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a well-appointed bathroom. It's a perfect combination of style and comfort. Whether you're cooking a meal, relaxing with family, or unwinding after a long drive, the Euro 25 terabytes makes you feel right at home. One of the standout features of the Euro 25 terabytes is its flexible living space. The motorhome includes a spacious lounge area with an extendable sofa that converts into a comfortable bed. For those who like to cook while on the road, the kitchen comes equipped with high-quality appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, stove, and ample counter space. Whether you're preparing a gourmet dinner or just a quick snack, this kitchen has it covered. As for the bathroom, it's surprisingly spacious for a motorhome of this size. It features a full shower, toilet, and sink, offering everything you need to refresh after a long day on the road. The thoughtful use of space makes it feel less like a typical RV bathroom and more like a small, private retreat. The driving experience in the Coachmen Euro 25 terabytes is just as impressive. Powered by a Ford Transit chassis and featuring advanced safety and driver assistance technologies, this motorhome offers a smooth and secure ride. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to use, with a large infotainment screen and all the controls you need within easy reach. Whether you're cruising along the highway or navigating narrow streets, the Euro 25 terabytes handles it all with ease. Another key feature of this motorhome is its energy efficiency. The Euro 25 terabytes comes with solar panels and a state-of-the-art battery system that ensures you can stay off-grid for longer periods without sacrificing comfort. The interior lighting, climate control, and appliances are all optimized for efficiency, making it perfect for eco-conscious travelers who love the freedom of exploring off the beaten path. Storage is also a top priority in the design of the Euro 25 terabytes. Despite its compact size, it offers ample storage solutions both inside and outside. There's plenty of room for all your travel essentials, outdoor gear, and personal items, so you can bring everything you need without feeling cramped. Overall, the 2025 Coachmen Euro 25 terabytes is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a compact, stylish, and practical Class A motorhome. It's the perfect combination of luxury, convenience, and innovation, all wrapped up in a sleek package. If you're looking to hit the road in comfort and style, the Euro 25 terabytes could be your next adventure companion. Are you excited about this new motorhome? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose this compact Class A RV for your next road trip? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RV news, reviews, and exclusive tours.